Hey everyone, in this video I will introduce you the Tableau website, and this website is the official website of Tableau Cloud. So firstly I want to talk about what Tableau Cloud is, and it is a fully hosted cloud-based enterprise-grade analytics solutions designed to empower organizations with intelligent tools and insights where people already work. A fast, flexible, easy to use platform for data prep, authoring, analysis, collaboration, publishing, and sharing of analytics content. Tableau Cloud supports people and organizations across all stages of their digital transformations and data-driven culture. Migrating to Tableau Cloud introduces time savings, agility, and reduced cost through automatic scaling without software or hardware maintenance. And also, plus, you always get all the latest capabilities, AI features, and enhancements. Tableau Cloud allows for quick activation and configuration of your Tableau site, enabling analytics for anyone, anywhere. So, Tableau Cloud is designed to fit any enterprise architecture with industry-leading security features, the highest certification standards like SOCII and ISO, out of the box HIPAA compliance, and best-in-class governance capabilities to ensure your data is always in the right hands. So as you see on the website, there is a simple main page, and on the right top of the website there is a menu button here. After clicking it, you see some sub menus. There are Why Tableau, Products, Solutions, Resources, Partners, Contact Us, and the phone number, and also pricing. Let's have a look at pricing, because it's important for everyone. So as you see, there are prices for different uses. For example, $115 Enterprise Creator and $70 Enterprise Explorer pack, and also Enterprise Viewer is for $35. So also there is some save today, and the promo code you can get save 20%. So I think it's enough about Tableau Cloud. I think if you need like tools, you can try Tableau Cloud. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you.